Welcome back again to my channel. Today we're going to make banana bread. Let's get started, shall we? So first I'm going to use this is a banana I'm going to use. They're pretty big. I'm going to use two of them because I want it to taste like the banana. Okay, and this is a very easy, simple step recipe. I'm just going to dump the banana in there. And make sure the banana is very ripe when using it, because you get a better result. Okay. So this is a banana I want to use. As you can see, I use two banana, and you don't need a mixer to use to make this. It's gonna be very easy and fast. And there we go. And I have all the ingredients here, and I want you to stay tuned. In the meantime, I smash this banana together. You're gonna see the outcome. So first of all, you just smash this banana together, and once you smash it together, because you see, the better the riper the banana, the better it is. Okay, as you can see, it's very okay. And after you smash the banana, the next thing you're gonna do, you're gonna add the sugar. Okay, so I forgot to weigh out my sugar. So the sugar, you're just gonna need 1 cup of sugar, because the banana is sweet. You don't need more than that. Okay, and you just mix it in. You can use brown sugar or granulated sugar. It doesn't matter. You don't have to mix it all the way. This is like perfect. You don't need to mix it more than that. And the next thing you're gonna add, second, you're gonna add your oil, which your oil is basically 1/2 cups of oil. Mix it in. Maybe it seems like it's not really a lot of oil. Okay, mix it in, and you're gonna add vanilla extract. You're gonna add molasses. Vanilla extract, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Molasses, you're gonna add basically 1 tablespoon of molasses, and I scrape that out so I get everything in there. Okay. Rest it there for a second, because I'm gonna use that. Mix it out. Then you're gonna add your cinnamon, allspice. You're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay. Okay, so here we have the egg stabilizer, okay? And this is basically no egg. This recipe that we're doing today is gonna, we're not gonna use any egg in this recipe. If you wanna use egg, you can use 3 to 4 eggs in this recipe. But for today, we're not gonna use any egg. And if you use egg, just top it off, top flour off, basically like half, I would say 1/4 cup more of flour if you're gonna use egg. But for today, we're not gonna use an egg. We're gonna use egg stabilizer. So what you do is basically, here's 1 cup of water that I have to add in my mixture. I'm not going to use that whole cup, so I just mix the egg stabilizer out. If you have any question about the egg stabilizer, you can holler at me. I can definitely explain and give you the brand that I use. I'm not going to really show the brand on my channel because I'm not really getting paid for that. So, all right, so that's the egg stabilizer. So this is the mixture. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the baking powder in the flour. Okay. And we're gonna dump it in here. And this is basically 2 cups of flour. We're not gonna need this anymore, so we're just gonna put it aside because you don't wanna overmix the butter, okay? So basically, I'm just gonna use the spatula and mix. You don't wanna add all of the your wet ingredients because it will basically the flour will basically float in the mixture, and you're gonna have a lot of your flour pocket in the your mixture. So we just basically add the flour in at this moment and mix it out. And yeah, as you can see, it's already mixed out. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna add the remainder of water as yet. I'm gonna add that water last. So what I'm doing is, this is half teaspoons of salt. So I'm gonna add the salt in my almond milk right here. Almond milk, 1 cup of almond milk. I'm gonna add a little in that egg stabilizer because the egg stabilizer is gonna get thick. Almond milk. Take your time and fold it in. You don't want to overmix it. And gently mix it in. So you will slowly get in there, okay? Okay. Okay. And everything we're gonna put in there, okay? Then, this is the egg stabilizer. I'm gonna show you how it looks after it's set up. This is the egg stabilizer. It's pretty thick, okay? It starts getting very thick. Then we're gonna add the egg stabilizer. It's pretty thick. It basically, the egg stabilizer, it's a supplement of your eggs. So it's gonna give the whole mixture volume, basically. Very nice and smooth, as you can see. I'm gonna scrape this out and add everything. Okay, and that's good enough. Turn that on. so you can see everything that's going on. And then I have here a little splash of almond extract. You can barely see it. It's a little splash. You don't want to add too much because the almond extract is very powerful. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add the rest of the water in the almond extract so we get everything out. Slowly mix it in. And that's the water. And don't forget, you only need 1 cup of water. No more than 1 cup of water is good enough for this mixture. Okay. Add the remaining 1 cup of water. And this butter gonna be very smooth. It's not gonna be thick, it's gonna be very smooth. Oops, I got a little splash right there. Okay. We're finally in the mixing stage right now. Give it a last thoroughly mix. Okay. Okay. I'm not gonna use any parchment paper. I just basically gonna use this pan right here. And what I do, I put a little oil in the bottom and basically put some flour in there and basically like swirl it around and basically dump out the flour. So that will basically eliminate that from sticking, okay? So you don't need more than that. That's good enough. That's 1 loaf out of this mixture. And the next loaf, I'm gonna put it in the next one here. And you want to bake this at 325, 325 to 350. I don't know where, it all depends on the climate. I think 325 is good for this recipe because it's not a big cake and you don't want it to dry out. So I think 325 is good. And I think we're good so far. I think we're just gonna bake this. And there you have it. So we're gonna bake it at the moment. As you see, the both of them is even. We're gonna bake it right now. I'm gonna set the oven. We set the oven at 325 already. We're gonna bake it to around like 26 minutes. And after 26 minutes, we're just gonna put it up. So we'll put them in the oven. And this is basically a chocolate banana swirl. I basically want to make it excited too. So I just basically take out some of the mixture out of this and just basically add some cocoa powder to it, like basically 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and just add it back to here. And see, that's how it is. If you want to add just like 1 teaspoon of water in it, you can add 1 teaspoon of water to just loosen it up a little bit. So instead of just making 2 of the same thing, I just like basically making something different to make it basically more excited. All right. Hello,
As you
hello.
can see,
This is
they're
the
looking pretty
rising
good
stage
already.
of this banana bread. As you can see, that's a plain one, and I just use a skewer and basically skewer it to try to see if it's finished. But this was basically like 20-25 minutes all the way, but it was not finished. But this is a finishing product right here, and it take me 45 minutes to 40 minutes. I'm using a convection oven with the fan inside. So this is the end product you're going to get, and that's how it look like. I bake it at 325 for 40 minutes to 45 minutes, but I think 40 minutes is good. Um, as you can see, it's a very good color, and the color is great. I couldn't want anything better than this, and this is when I pop it out. As you can see, it's I didn't use a cake um, liner or anything, and it came out very nicely. I recommend this recipe because this is a good recipe. I know a lot of people have banana bread recipe, but this is the original banana bread recipe. It started from scratch to finish. Um, there is no, it's not really a difficult recipe. I know they have the box one, but this is really, I would say health wise, it's very good. And those who are allergic to egg, this is no egg. I will very highly recommend. This is the texture it's gonna have. I'm gonna show you in a second. This banana recipe is very good. I recommend you should watch it and use it in the future if you don't want to at the moment. And look at the texture that it has. Let me take this out. Get these out of here. And this was a regular plain banana. Okay. So let me show you what it looked like. See? I'll catch that in the video so you can see it. It cuts. Copy this recipe on my page because it's a really good one. I will be on because Thanksgiving is coming up, and these stuff is very nice to use in Thanksgiving party. So I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you. And please like, share, and subscribe. And I'm looking forward to putting out more video out there. The more you subscribe to my channel, the more you watch it. YouTube will definitely rank me up there, and I will put out more video out there, because once you watch the video and all of those kind of stuff, it only make me be better. Okay, thank you so much, and have a fantastic day.